Hello, this is Country Girl. Here we learn basic guitar lessons for beginners. Today we are coming to you just 4 simple chords to play this beautiful song. Are you ready? Let's go. So our first chord is chord C. Second chord A minor. Third chord F. And our last chord is G. So first chord C. Second chord A minor, third chord F, and last chord is G. And here is the song. See, you play your C. When you my baby, Onyami would you Onyami? There be a Onyami, I ain't in the name. There be a we can sing. Kasi sana fataungwa Onyame wodia woya kasi santa bianti bimrewa sekurada Nti ya body yina wanye kuma minyanko kwa nya biye wope Body yina wanye di maminyanko kwa nya biye wofataye ya kasi Wankura ne betimi etintim senya watim so buya Mwa wakasi ye akatu bia but many were baby. And it's a wedding, Yanko Pande, was not in Major. Dear Yanka, Odomankoma, and I think I would deny Odomankoma. Oh, she and I would deny Odomankoma. Madame go to Megafua. You see, very simple. So with this simple chord C, A minor, F, and G. And for the strumming pattern, as a beginner, you can just strum down. So down, 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 down. If you want to strum in a different way, you can also strum this way. Kasi samna fataungwa Onyame wodia woya kasi samteba antumimira sekurada Ya body yengi nawanya kuma minyango pono wanya kiye wope So simple. I'm just using down, down, down. If you have a pick too, you can use the pick. But for now I don't have a pick, so it's down, down. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a beautiful comment. If you are watching this on Instagram or TikTok, you can also follow my page and wait for more interesting lessons. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.